This is how I make my 7-minute pressure cooked pasta with meatballs. So you're going to start off, you need a 4-quart pressure cooker, a can of spaghetti sauce. This one is 24 ounces of Hunt's garlic and herb. I like the flavor. You need a pound of penne pasta. It holds up better. You need a meatier noodle when you pressure cook it. A 28 count bag of meatballs. These are small meatballs. Some extra virgin olive oil and some Italian seasoning. Step number 1 is to go ahead and start the timer on your pressure cooker so it can warm up while you're prepping it. We're going to do 7 minutes. We're going to set it for 7 minutes so it will start. And then step 2 is to add a little bit of your extra virgin olive oil to the bottom just to keep it from the meatballs from sticking or burning. Step 3 is to add your meatballs. These are frozen to the bottom. Kind of layer them around to where there's just one layer down in there. Step 4 is to add your pasta. Step 5 is adding your spaghetti sauce. Just pour it right down the middle. Do not mix it up. Step 6 is to add water until it completely covers the noodles, but they're not floating. I just use my can from my sauce, and it usually takes about a can and a half. That way I rinse all the sauce out of it. As you'll see, they're covered, but they're not floating. Step 7 is to add just a little bit of Italian seasoning to the top. Just a little sprinkle. Step 8 is to add your lid. Close it up. Make sure your valve is set to airtight and your lid is on good. And then you'll just wait for it to come to pressure. Now it has reached pressure, and in 7 minutes we will release the pressure and the pasta will be done. Now the timer is stopped and it's ready to release the pressure. I am doing this in my camper, so we're going to turn the fan on, the exhaust fan on. We're going to cover the exhaust hole here before we turn the valve to exhaust it so that the moisture doesn't get on my cabinets or anything. Now we're releasing the steam. Pressure is completely released. I'm just going to wipe it down a little. Get all the steam off. I'm going to open it. And there is our pasta. So now we're just going to mix it up. Sometimes you'll notice your meatballs will come to the top, and that's perfectly fine. It's normal for them to do that. And you are ready to eat. Now I like to add some mozzarella cheese to mine, and my husband likes to add Parmesan cheese to his. But we always have garlic knots. You can find the complete recipe on our website, www.myminilife.com, and other recipes for the Instapot or pressure cooker. This recipe was made in a 4-quart pressure cooker, but you can use a 6 or an 8 or an Instapot. Enjoy!